Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Our lesson today is the second lesson of Unit 3. It's about equal fraction. It's about equal fractions. By using these examples, we know what the meaning of equal fractions and how we can make or create equal fractions. At first, we have one shaded part. It will be half. Yes, this fraction will be half. And we know it at the first lesson, it will be half. At the next shape, we have 4 equal parts and only 2 shaded parts. It will be 2 quarter. It will be 2 quarter. You can note that half and 2 quarters had the same value. Half and 2 quarter had the same value. So we can write half equal 2 quarter. Half equal 2 quarter, and these two fractions is equal fraction. Let's see the third shape. We have 8 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and only 4 shaded parts. It will be 4/8. 4/8, and you can note that half, the value of half equal the value of 4/8. The value of half is the same value of 4/8. So we can say that half equal 4/8. Half equal 4/8. And it will be equal fraction. So half equal 2 quarter equal 4/8. Equal 4/8. And these fractions will be equal fractions. But you can note that there is a relation between numerator and denominator. Numerator half the denominator. 1 half 2, and 2 half 4, and 4 half 8. Yes, there is a rule between the numerator and denominator. So we can use this rule to write so many fractions. So it will be half equal 2/4, and equal 3/6, 3/6, and equal 4/8, and equal 5/10, and so many fractions. The numerator half the denominator. So it will be equal fractions. Have the same value but have different numbers. Have the same value but have the different numbers. Now let's know how we can make equal fractions without drawings. How we can make equal fractions without drawing. We have a rule, and very important rule. Please concentrate with me at this part. Complete using equal fractions. Complete using equal fractions. At first half, if I want to make equal fractions to half, I must do an important rule. If I want to make equal fraction to half, I must multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. I must multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. I will use 2. So I will multiply numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. 1 times 2, it will be 2. 2 times 2, it will be 4. So the new fraction will be 2 quarter. Yes, half equal to fraction, like the same here. Half equal to quarter. So if I want to create an equal fraction, I must multiply the numerator and denominator, with the same number, Let's do the second example. 2 quarters. I want to make a new fraction equal to 2 quarters. I will multiply 2 by 3 and multiply 4 at the same by 3. Yes, what I do in numerator, I will do in denominator. What I do in numerator, I will do it in denominator. 2 times 3 will be 6. 4 times 3 will be 12. Yes, 6/12. So it will be equal fractions. Add the third example. 3/7. I will sign it multiplying by 2 and multiplying by 2. 3 times 2 will be 6. 7 times 2 will be 14. Yes, 6 over 14 and 3 over 7 equals 6 over 14. Now at this fourth example, please concentrate with me. It's another important rule. If we have a large number, 12 over 18, I can divide it, but we must divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. I will divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number. I will have equal fraction. So I can multiply or divide it, but with the same number. If I want to get or create an equal fractions, I must multiply or divide it the numerator and denominator with the same number. 12 and 18. How can dividing 12 by numbers? I must need 2 or 3 or 4. I will use 3. And 18 divided, by 3. 18 divided by 3, it will be 6. 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. So I will get 4 sixes. 4 sixes. 12 over 18 equal 4 sixes. 4 sixes, and it's equal fractions. So we have an important rule to make an equal fractions, that you must multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number, or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. At the next video, we will make more exercise about equal fractions. Thank you.